Here's Ventra app, which is your new like travel card for Chicago, where you can ride CTA, Metro, and Pace with Ventra. Manage your fares, buy mobile tickets, get arrivals, and add your Ventra card for riding CTA and Pace to iPhone and Apple Wallet. Use transit in and around all of Chicago. It's easy to manage and pay your fare on CTA. So yeah, that's just the idea. And then yeah, you can just tap get and double click to install. So yeah, that's just what it is. All new Ventra app is here. Managing your transit, buy and use mobile tickets, get transit direction. So yeah, then you can just open it up and then you just have it here. Then you can just see this. Sometimes it's yeah, and then you can just continue as a guest or create new account. So then you can just set up your first card, purchase metro ticket, favorite line or stop, add favorite location. So it's just quite convenient to use it as an app on mobile phone instead of as a like a website. So yeah, something like that.